Hi everybody, this is May Wilson.
And that's April Brucker.
And we are going to teach you the basics of ventriloquism. You may have seen us on
Rachel Ray,
Last Comic Standing, Inside Edition,
What Would You Do?
Dutch National Television,
NPE Europe, Telemundo,
and Love TV in Finland.
Actually, they saw me on those. You were just there.
You know what, May? You gotta be nicer to me. I'm the one that got you this gig.
No. They wanted me. They said, please bring that unfortunate woman behind you. Seriously, she needs something to do. We want the star. Where are my red M&Ms?
Well, anyway, we are coming to you with ClownAntics.com to teach you the basics of ventriloquism.
And you too can be a misfit.
Stop it. You're not supposed to say that. Well, everybody, we are about to talk about body movement, which is a lesson unto itself. When you put that ventriloquist figure, puppet, felt American, or whatever the members of my crew want to call themselves, because they can be a little sensitive, you gotta make them real. And to help me, I have William Sheepspeare. How are you doing, William?
Well, to go or not to go, that is the question.
Yes, that is a good question.
Yes, because I am the god.
You mean the bard?
No, the god.
And to make yourself believable, what do?
Well, Shakespearean acting involves using all of your body. So when I speak, I move my arms.
And now, oh my gosh, guys, he's having a sheep fit. William, what's wrong?
Well, I was moving my arms, and I was too real, and now I'm constricting.
And see what he does when he constricts, guys? He crosses his arms.
Yes!
And oh my gosh, yes, he's moving. What's going on?
Yes, I'm having a sheep fit.
Every once in a while, I have a sheep fit, but it's much ado about nothing.
Would you like to take a bow?
Yes.
See? Very real. Now, there are other traps that you can fall into with a full body puppet. You see, because I use my fingers to make him real. So now we're going to get into the full body puppet with May Wilson.
Actually, the term that I prefer is felt American, ventriloquist figure, cloth woman, but not puppet. Okay, let's just get this straight. Where are my red M&Ms?
May Wilson, everybody. So let's talk about a few things that I did. First things first, a problem with a full body puppet that you would get with her that you wouldn't get with a hand puppet is a thing known as dead hang. Dead hang is if I have her there like this.
She has me hanging like I'm not even real, like I don't have feelings.
Yes, now how do we solve that? Well, I can prop her up on the table like this, where I can cross her legs.
Ta-da! And I can look like a lady.
Or I can hold her like this.
So I'm in her arms and see, I'm not hanging. There's no dead hang. No dead hang, no file. That's right, guys.
So now I have her like this. But if I prop her up on a table, say, I can move her arms.
And when I move my arms and I talk, I become real.
And you see, guys, it's not cheating if I move her arms, because we know she's not real. I'm just making her real. And in ventriloquism, you are the writer, the actor, the director, the comedian, and the puppet master.
And as my puppet master, I demand that she makes me move.
And sometimes when I hold her like this,
and I do this, she moves my head, and there are strings attached to my head, so then my arms move like this. Don't I look like a real human girl, guys?
Yeah, that's right, you do, May. Now, somebody remarked that I made your head move, and I make her head move.
It's part of the character, because I'm sassy.
Yes. And I make her hands move because
I'm classy and talk to the hand.
Now, May. So, but sometimes with May, I even use a stool in my live performances.
because that way I can stand up, I can cross my legs, and I look awesome.
That's right, everybody. So that's how we avoid the traps and we make the body move.
Oh my God, she's so real. She's so amazing. She's so beautiful. Why doesn't she just dump the doofus behind her and go solo?
You know what, May? If you're gonna talk like that, I'm just gonna remove my arm.
Oh, please, you're all talk.
No, May, I'm gonna remove my arm and you're gonna be on your own.
You're gonna what?
See? This is what happens. You gotta keep a puppet in line.
Oh my God, hey girl, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll never do that again.
See?
I made her real. Oh, don't kiss me, as if I have standards.
Well, everybody, now you understand the basics of body movement, and tune in for more videos at ClownAntics.com.
And where am I right on the